Hi YouTube, welcome back to my channel. This is a quick nighttime routine just showing you how I wash off or clean off my makeup. I actually start off by using an oil cleanser. So I'll just have a few pumps in my hand and then apply it to my face all over. Now, I do not wear any type of concealer or foundation, so I am actually just doing this to clean off any eye makeup. So my eyeliner, which is a liquid eyeliner, and my eyeshadow and my lips actually. So I just work that oil in, and I love oil cleansers because they are so good for the skin. I actually created this one and I'll leave the link below so you can watch the video on how it's made. But I love oil cleansers because they are so good for the skin. They totally deep clean, they remove all makeup, and they leave the skin feeling all nice and moisturized. So just drawing little circles all over my face to really get the oil in there and get it out. From here, I just take a towel and I warm it up. Nice damp towel, warm damp towel. I just take and wipe my face here. Oh, and this feels so good. It's a spa quality treatment, guys. It really is. Oh, wipe the lips, removing all dead skin. Oh, there we go. Makeup free in less than 2 minutes. Damping the towel again. Wiping my skin one more time. Making sure I've gotten all the makeup from around the eyes. There we are. There we go. Absolute clean skin. Nothing left. And here we go. Nice. And from here, I just moisturize with a jojoba face oil. Just apply that to my skin. Love jojoba oil. One of my favorite oils. I love it for its deep conditioning. And in this face oil, there's also bergamot essential oil. Bergamot is very good for scars and healing of the skin. It is a citrus, so in here is bergantine-free bergamot, so it doesn't cause photosensitivity. And here we are. Simple nighttime routine for taking off my makeup and moisturizing. Ta-da! Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you next time. Bye.